What is your name? Repeat. What is your name? My name is Neil. Repeat. My name is Neil. What are your names? Repeat. What are your names? Our names are Jeet and Neil. Repeat. Our names are Jeet and Neil. Who are you? Repeat. Who are you? I am Neil, your new neighbor. Repeat. I am Neil, your new neighbor. Who is that person with you? Repeat. Who is that person with you? He is my friend Jeet. Repeat. He is my friend Jeet. May I know your names? Repeat. May I know your names? My name is Neil and this is my friend Jeet. Repeat. My name is Neil and this is my friend Jeet. Where are you from? Repeat. Where are you from? I am from Indore. Repeat. I am from Indore. Where does your friend live? Repeat. Where does your friend live? My friend lives in Goa. My friend lives in Goa. Are you students? Repeat. Are you students? Yes, we are. Repeat. Yes, we are. Are you students? Yes, we are students. Repeat. Yes, we are students. Are you students? No, we aren't. Repeat. No, we aren't. Are you students? No, we are not students. Repeat. No, we are not students. What do you do? Repeat. What do you do? I work in a chemical industry. I work in a chemical industry. What does your friend do? Repeat. What does your friend do? He is searching for a job. Repeat. He is searching for a job. Where are you going now? Repeat. Where are you going now? Now we are going to the market. Repeat. Now we are going to the market. What do you want to buy? Repeat. What do you want to buy? We want to buy some biscuits. Repeat. We want to buy some biscuits. What do you want to buy? We want to buy some bread. Repeat. We want to buy some bread. What do you want to buy? We want to buy vegetables. We want to buy vegetables. What else do you want to buy? Repeat. What else do you want to buy? We want to buy some clothes. Repeat. We want to buy some clothes. What else do you want to buy? We want to buy some toothpaste. Repeat. We want to buy some toothpaste. What else do you want to buy? We want to buy some shampoo. Repeat. We want to buy some shampoo. Do you want to buy anything else? Repeat. Do you want to buy anything else? Yes, we want to buy some furniture. Repeat. Yes, we want to buy some furniture. Do you want to buy anything else? No, we don't want to buy anything else. Repeat. No, we don't want to buy anything else. Will you come home from the market? Repeat. Will you come home from the market? No, we will go for a movie. Repeat. No, we will go for a movie. Is it a new movie? Repeat. Is it a new movie? Yes, it is. Repeat. Yes, it is. Is it a new movie? Yes, it is a new movie. Repeat. Yes, it is a new movie. Is it a new movie? No, it isn't a new movie. Repeat. No, it isn't a new movie. Is it a good movie? Repeat. Is it a good movie? Yes, it is. Repeat. Yes, it is. Is it a good movie? Yes, it is a good movie. Repeat. Yes, it is a good movie. Is it a good movie? We don't know if it is a good movie. We don't know if it is a good movie. Where are you going tomorrow? Repeat. Where are you going tomorrow? We are going to the museum tomorrow. Repeat. We are going to the museum tomorrow. Where are you going tomorrow? We are not going anywhere tomorrow. We are not going anywhere tomorrow. Is the museum far from here? Repeat. Is the museum far from here? Yes, it is. Repeat. Yes, it is. Is the museum far from here? Yes, it is about 10 kilometers from here. Repeat. Yes, it is about 10 kilometers from here. Is the museum far from here? No, it isn't. Repeat. No, it isn't. Is the museum far from here? No, it is not very far from here. No, it is not very far from here. Are you also going to the exhibition tomorrow? Repeat. Are you also going to the exhibition tomorrow? Yes, we are also going to the exhibition tomorrow. Repeat. Yes, we are also going to the exhibition tomorrow. Are you also going to the exhibition tomorrow? No, we are not going to the exhibition tomorrow. Repeat. No, we are not going to the exhibition tomorrow. Repeat these as many times as you require to learn all the sentences correctly. Thank you and all the best.